It's not supposed to look like that. I don't know why. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing a after school routine video. I randomly just thought of this video to do, so sorry I look like a booty cheek, but hey, maybe I should get cute. Nah, I might not be completely there because I only get 3 hours of sleep. I get up like at 5 in the morning. I stay up like really late at night, so so I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Let me stop talking. I already said that. Oh, it's so good looking. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm going to be making lunch, okay? I don't eat at school, so I'm gonna make me some pancakes. These are my famous pancakes, so I'm giving y'all the deeds, okay? Hold on. This is a secret recipe from my auntie, okay? I can't be giving this out. She's gonna get mad at me. So, don't say nothing, okay? That I shared this with you guys. So, let me show you guys my aunt's recipe. All right, so my auntie Jemima, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how she making her delicious pancakes. This is top secret, can give this to everybody. So yeah, let's get started. Hey, let me show you guys what you need. Okay, this is very simple, very easy, okay? You just need 3 special steps. That's all that you need. Milk, make sure you get 2%. My auntie's special recipe. And this is the key part, brown sugar, okay? That's special, like a little kick to it, okay? I gave you the little info, I gave you a little 401. And you need a bowl and a spoon. Nothing too, you know, extra. So I'm only making 2. My Aunt Jemima told me I only need to put a little bit in there. You know, not too much. She said, not too much, sweetie, just a little tad. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wait. Oh. Okay. I think that's too much, but okay. Voila. Yum. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Maybe I need a little more. Okay. I think that's good. Now, you're going to add your I'm gonna say you're gonna add your milk, okay? You can use water. You can use water, but I like to use milk to make it a little bit more rich, you know? So just add your water. I mean your milk. Not too much, not too much. You don't want it too watery. You do a little bit at a time. A little, feel like glue right now, but we're gonna add a little bit more milk. Maybe that's a little bit too much. You know, Aunt Jemima told me, she said, don't put too much milk. But free her right now. All right, so then you're gonna add a little bit of sugar. You're gonna be using your Perrier sugar. Is that good? Okay, so you have your little sugar. Look at that. Now this is how you make a pancake. probably did put too much sugar, but you know what? It's fine. Okay, so I got my little skillet, and we're gonna cook our little pancakes. I'll show you whenever I'm like almost done making it, because you don't want to just sit there and look at me, you know, do the do. So this is how the pancakes are looking. It's not supposed to look like that. I don't know why. Okay, I can fix it. Okay, this one, yeah, it may look burnt, but it's not, I think. This one, it's okay. It looks good though, it looks good. Look at that, look, ooh. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys my Aunt's special syrup, the butter rich, oh. I think I said too much. Maybe I shouldn't show you guys. She'll probably get mad at me, but you know what? You're my subscribers, and I want to show you guys, you know, my secrets. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks. Okay. Ooh. Isn't that yummy? Yeah. Maybe if it wasn't so burnt, it looks so much better, but it isn't. Okay, so next thing I do is take a fat nap, because you know it's been a long day, my brain tired, and you know them after school naps always hit the best. Let's take a nap, okay? Good afternoon. Do you want to know what I dreamt about? You. No, I did not take a nap. I usually do, but I can't sleep right now. I might take one after making this video, because now I'm just focused on this video, so I can't sleep. The last things I really do, and I'm not even like lying to you, if you've been subscribed to me, you know I do not have a life. I never do anything spontaneous. I don't go feed my lion in the backyard. I watch Netflix. I watch Friends on Netflix. If you don't watch Friends, we can't be friends. Oh. And the next thing I do, I watch YouTube until I fall asleep. People that I watch on YouTube are DDG, Shy the Greatest, Emma Chamberlain, Jordan Cunningham, Royal Family, a lot of different YouTubers. And they're all like very completely different, which is really weird, but I'm very weird and different. Yay. I am so frustrated right now. I just recorded this whole clip and the video was zoomed into my face. Like you could see up my nostrils to my brain to the back of my head. I can never do anything right. That's really the end of this video. I really don't do anything throughout the day. If you really think I'm lying, I'm not. I just sit down, watch TV, sleep. That's probably not the best way to live your life, but I'm really just trying to connect to the people that are really lazy out there. So if you have an amazing life, okay, whatever. Me and the people that don't have lives, what's up? High five. You left me hanging, whatever. Hey, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. You probably didn't, so give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment if you want to. Give it a like if you want to. Subscribe if you're new to my channel if you want to. Let me stop saying that. Hopefully you did like this video. You're probably not, oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm saying that. Follow me on my social medias if you want to give me like suggestions on videos you want to see, or if you want to ask me any questions. It's in the description box below. And we're trying to get to 250 subscribers, so let's get there. I'll see you guys in my next one. No, that's ugly. But thank you guys for watching this video if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.